Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about COVID-19. Let's start. Welcome to Hello Edition. Upgrade yourself to the next level. So coronavirus, it is a large group of viruses and under which mild to severe diseases may happen. So here in this picture, this is a virus of corona, and this coronavirus structure is that in the core there is a genetic material of the virus and which is surrounded by the envelope with protein spikes, and these protein spikes is look like a crown, and in Latin the crown meaning of crown is corona. That is why this virus is known as coronavirus, and this virus may be cause respiratory problems as well as gastrointestinal problem also, which may be generally mild disease caused. It also causes severe diseases. For example, severe acute respiratory system coronaviruses, which identified in China 2003, and Middle East respiratory syndrome coronaviruses, which identified in Saudi Arabia 2012. These two viruses came from animals. SARS-CoV is from civet cat and mers-cov from camel. So what actually COVID-19 is it? Firstly, it was known as novel corona 2019. Now it is known as coronavirus disease COVID-19, as it is now a pandemic one. So it is actually an infectious disease, and till date it is not found that where it is origin. So research is going on. Firstly, this spread from the Wuhan city of China, and it was in a seafood market. But recently, in the China Daily newspaper, a researcher stated that that was not the origin of the virus. That was is in different area. So this virus basically transmitted from persons who contaminated with virus. So don't close contact with the people, and close contact or with animals also. And if any person coughs or sneezes, you should keep away from them. So these are some symptoms of coronaviruses. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough and tiredness, and serious symptoms are difficulty in breathing or respiratory systems. You may have chest pain or pressure, loss of speech and movement. Uh, you have to consult with your doctors, and there may be diarrhea, short throat or pains, headache, etc. Also maybe some symptoms of coronaviruses. You have to consult with your doctors, and if any persons come out from any area, they should consult with doctor with their travel history, and if you have any problem, contact with your local authority, local government also. So currently, the diagnosis of coronaviruses is by PCR test or polymerase chain reaction test. And treatment and vaccine are in development. Though in India, the hydroxychloroquine drugs have been developed, but recently in international level there is a huge debate over this matter, over its efficiency and over its work, and WHO also temporarily banned these hydrochloroquine drugs. But in India, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, expert stated that we will be going with hydroxychloroquine. So how to prevent from these diseases? So there are some direction given by our government as well as WHO. Basically these are: wash your hands regularly with soap and water and clean them with sanitizing or alcohol based sanitizer, maintain at least 1 meter distance, about touching your face or rough surface, because it may so happen that while you will touch any door, stair or rough surface, and if you touch your nose, eyes and mouth, the virus may be transmitted from your mouth also. Yeah, you should cover your mouth with masks as well as PPE or personal protective equipment for healthcare, and refrain from smoking and other activities that may harm your lungs. And if you feel unwell, please stay home in your at least for 14 days and consult with your doctor. Physical distance, always avoid, and unnecessary travel should be give up, and staying away from large group of people. And you should also keep away from the close contacts of animals also. So this is all about a basic concept of coronavirus. Your suggestions is always welcome. In part 2 of this video, we will be dealing some myths about coronavirus directed by WHO and our government. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel as well as press the bell icon for new videos, and you can follow me also on this platform. Thanks for being with us. New videos will be coming soon. Till then, stay happy, stay connected.